In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have bold, colorful lettering that looks like it's filled with a smooth gradient, perfect for social posts, thumbnails, or banners. Start by opening Adobe Express and loading a project. You can use a blank canvas or any existing design. The process is the same. Once your project is open, click on the text tool and add your wording. Type your phrase, then pick a strong, bold font so the gradient shows clearly inside each letter. Increase the font size so your text is easy to see, and center it on the canvas for now. Next, head to the search bar at the top left. Switch to Photos so you're browsing images rather than design assets. In the search field, type the word gradient. You'll see a range of colorful gradient images. Choose one that suits your style. Vibrant transitions and high contrast tend to look best for this effect. Add the gradient photo to your canvas. If it lands on top of your text, just send it backward so the text sits above it. You want the gradient underneath because we'll reveal it through the letters. Click back on your text to select it, then open the effects controls at the top. Look for the shape options and choose the rectangle shape. This places a clean rectangular backing behind your text. Click the shape options again and open the shape color picker. Set the shape color to white. This white panel will act like a mask surface for the cutout effect, helping the gradient show only where the letters are. With the text still selected, enable the cutout text effect. Increase the shape size to the maximum so the white rectangle fully covers your design area behind the letters. The letters should now appear as transparent cutouts in the white panel, revealing the gradient image below. If any edges look clipped, add a rectangle that spans the entire canvas or gently resize the existing shape so everything is fully covered. Make sure the stacking order is gradient at the bottom, then the white rectangle with the cutout text, and nothing sits between those layers. Adjust the gradient image's position or scale to line up the colors within your lettering just the way you want. When the color flow looks right and your text is crisp, you're done. That's your gradient text in Adobe Express. Clean, vibrant, and ready to use.